Okay, all right, guys. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. This is going to be our final lesson on this series where we are going to master with Ozone. Now, Ozone is a standalone plugin that helps producers and sound engineers to master their song. It comes with templates, mastering templates. So it has this chain of plugins, chain of processors that is good for mastering. Okay, so let's get into it. What we do now is, so we are going to take this off totally, all of them. Okay, all of them. Apart from, okay, we stop here. Now from here we are going to go to dynamics. This is Ozone stereo, Ozone 9. Alright, so we load it. Now it has options. It has options of where you can, if you come to this mastering assistance, where we can use a reference track. Okay, you can, if you use a reference, you can load a track here. That is an already an already mastered track that you want Ozone to model your mastering to in that towards that direction. So you can load it here, or you can do a manual listening. So what does it do? It listens to your music, and then it suggests how it should, the adjustments that should be made. So let's try that. What do we do? Okay, next. All right. So it's now listening to what is going on now. So it has made few changes depending on what it feels. So it's late for you to listen to what is going on and then choose to accept what it has done. So let's listen again. So I'm going to accept this. All right. So let's listen. All right. So we have, see how it makes the job easier for us. So this is a master song already. It has done, it has made all the necessary adjustments. Okay, this one is not in use. Here something has happened here. Look at this. All right, and then the maximizer has been used. So that is one way of mastering with Ozone. Or we could use these presets. We have series and series of presets here where we can use. Okay, so but I'm going to, you will just select one and accept, and it works that way. So but I think I like what it has done so far. So we've accepted it. Let's listen to one more time. All right, with that, I think I like that, and we are done with this mastering and this mastering with Ozone, and also with the mastering class, and then the production master class. So our what we will now export. We can now export our final mastered track. So we come here, as usual, left click, drag towards the end, bounce to this, So instead of multiple mono, since it is our final, we can now do multiple. Sorry, we can do interleaved now. We call this uh, bits mastered. All right, and it's done. So we are going to wait for it to export. Bounce files. This is it. So we can play it off. You can listen. This is where we can transfer it to our friends, upload it on digital platforms. Okay. All right. So that is the end of our lesson for today.